I'm gonna keep crossing my fingers. Somebody's gonna send us some money so we can get some groceries, and just make this fucking dream happen, bro. I just need one to work, and then it's on and popping, baby. And then we got the voice AI agent answering the phone when I'm sleeping and making my reality. So I don't have to worry about taking too much of my time losing sleep. This thing will answer for me, and that's the blessing. I'm just grateful that I could even assemble a team that works as hard as we do, making my dream a reality and making my businesses work even better. Just growing in leaps and bounds, and that's what people want to see. They want to see you be successful. They want to see you make a team. They want to see you take a loss like a boss and get back up again. Then that's what Saints Addiction's all about.